As the government intensifies its post-Melissa rebuilding efforts, a call this evening for business owners to prepare for opportunities that are expected to come. But at the same time, there are concerns that many of these businesses will not benefit because they refuse to be formalized. Prince Moore has details.
Amid major investments in infrastructure, logistics and urban development under the National Reconstruction and Resilience Authority (NARA, the government insists new opportunities are emerging, not only in rebuilding efforts, but also for businesses.
When you have major national projects like this, you have spin-off opportunities. It creates more jobs, it creates more opportunities for subcontracting, supplies, transport, digital services, food services.
However, State Minister in the Ministry of Industry, Investment and Commerce, Delano Sivright, says that many MSMEs are not yet equipped to take full advantage as they remain outside the formal banking system.
It's good to be formalized. A lot of us want to stay informal, don't pay any taxes, not registered anywhere, but we're missing out on good opportunities because we're not formalized. There are a lot of companies in Jamaica that look for small businesses to work with, but they can't work with them because they don't have a proper bank account, they're not registered with the Companies Office of Jamaica, they're not paying taxes. And they need to work with people who are formal and registered. So don't be afraid of formalization. Formalization also allows you the ability now to access financing from Sagicor and JMMB for your businesses.
There has been a raging debate about the growing influence of artificial intelligence, with some questioning the impact on jobs across several sectors. Minister Sivright, while noting that it is transforming how work is done, reiterated that it cannot replace human judgment.
In addition to getting the education, the core education, which gives you an advantage, it gives you a competitive advantage, you have to understand the important skills of emotional intelligence, getting along with people, working well with people, being able to critically think and resolve problems without chaos and chaos. That is how those are the people who will have an edge in this world.
He was speaking at the Financial Readiness Seminar at the Church Teachers College in Mandeville last week. Prince Moore, TVJ News.